Blood-curdling screams ring out. A concerned resident goes outside to investigate. Captured on her doorbell camera are the sounds of a woman crying out for help. You can also hear a man's voice. It appears the cries are coming from this white car zooming down the street. This is the home where the camera captured the screams and the car speeding away. A neighbor told me she saw the struggle happening just 2 doors down, and it left her terrified.
The car was right here.
Car was right here, parked right here?
Parked right here. The butt of the car was right here. The front of the car was in the street. She looked like she was trying to get out when she seen us, and he snatched her head back and he sped it out.
Possible kidnapping in progress. You heard screaming in the back.
Police tell us they're canvassing the Leimert Park neighborhood in L.A., looking for any clue that will lead them to the woman desperately calling out for help.